Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, The Indian Mom's Kitchen. Today's recipe is a Goan Sorak. It's a no oil curry. It's put together with very few ingredients. It's a lovely, spicy and tangy coconut curry. This goes excellently with rice, and here I've served it with a bit of Goan brinjal pickle, the recipe and video of which is already uploaded on the channel. This curry ensures that you have a bigger helping of rice than you normally do. So let's begin today's recipe. For this, in a blender, I've taken half a teaspoon of cumin or jeera, 6 to 7 cloves of garlic or Lehsun, half a teaspoon of turmeric haldi, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, half an onion roughly sliced, 5 dry Kashmiri chillies for the lovely color, one teaspoon of Dhania or coriander powder, 1 cup of freshly grated coconut, add a little water and grind it into a smooth paste. Keep this paste aside. Now I've taken 1 onion sliced fine. I'm using an earthen pot. It gives a lovely flavor to the curry. To this I'm adding 3 green chillies, slit lengthwise. One tomato sliced fine. 1 teaspoon of sugar, salt to taste. Now I'm going to mash everything together well. Since we are not going to add oil into this and we are not going to saute the onions, make sure that everything is mashed well. To this add the ground paste, 2 cups of water, give everything a good stir. And keep this curry to boil. Now add to this curry half a cup of tamarind pulp or Imli pulp, a few curry leaves, Kadipatta, and let the curry come to a nice rolling boil. Once the curry comes to a boil, reduce the flame and simmer for at least 15 minutes. Your Goan Sorak curry or the coconut curry is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, then please give it a big thumbs up. Also comment on and share this video among your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do so now and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and have a great day.